So over the years, I've been doing my taxes and saving receipts for miscellaneous items like dinner, meetings, and food. Lately, some of them are starting to fade because they were on thermal paper. I get it, right? You have those old receipts and then they start to either smudge or they just fade like it's invisible ink. I just consulted with an accountant who insists that I still keep them even though some are literally blank. I wonder if it's okay to use a receipt scanner that exports to PDF. Would this be acceptable to an auditor? You guys, electronic copies of receipts are 100% perfect for an audit, okay? 100%. Some accountants they get stuck. They get stuck on keeping the paper because way back when, before technology, that was the rule. But all the new technology we have has brought things to a new, we're in a new generation now. So a scanned copy is completely sufficient for an audit, and it proves you're spending, it proves it more than a faded receipt, right? Like if you hand an auditor a faded receipt that doesn't show any date, any amount, what good is that going to do? I suggest that you scan your receipts, or you take a picture or whatever. And once that's done, there's no need to hold on to the paper. Get rid of it. Okay. For those of you asking, I don't know if you are, but I highly recommend using some sort of receipt reader. So if you especially if you use QuickBooks Online, because they can actually integrate. So it can connect your receipt to your bank fee transaction. Very, very cool. But yeah, or, keep a PDF file with all of your, or a receipt file with all your PDFs. All right. PDFs, totally fine.